Minecraft.
Oh.
Yeah. And this is our first video. I'm Jayne, and this is
Gloria.
Yeah, first video, and we're going to be playing Cooking Mama on Minecraft, and the server will be down below so you guys could play too.
Yay.
Please subscribe too for more Minecraft videos. I don't know, I sound like a robot.
It started.
Yay! I have room 12.
I'm room 3.
I'm getting this wheat.
Harvesting a lot of potatoes.
Oh crap, I hit the zombie pigman by accident. I was trying to hit the mushroom. Jeez, I hear you typing like crazy. Oh my gosh, Gloria, it sounds like you're typing like crazy.
I'm not typing, I'm clicking.
Oh, it sounds like you're typing and clicking together.
Clicking, because I'm killing a lot of stuff, so.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna hit this guy. Oh, darn, I can't.
Oh. This one guy, I guess he killed a zombie pigman.
Oh crap,
and then
I hit the zombie pigman. Yeah. I feel like we just screamed at the same time.
Zombie pigman, killed them all.
Ah! In my house.
Gotta kill them all.
Potato.
Where's...
I always don't get that much potatoes.
I have a lot of potatoes.
Really? I get a lot of wheat and stuff.
Okay.
Oh, the zombie pigman got in my house.
Hey!
It was standing by my door.
Why is this guy here? Get out! No!
Is he in your house? Is he in your house?
Okay. Go away.
Hit him with the stick. Dem trolls go. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the beginning
Oh,
of...
just kidding.
What?
I went into someone else's house. Should I make a golden apple or a golden carrot?
Apple. Actually, carrot. I think carrots are...
I made one of each.
What zombie pigments do you kill?
Oh, I killed like a couple because I accidentally hit one, and then this one guy he killed some, but then I took his stuff.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna make some bread.
Oh my god, I was making bread at the same time.
No!
Yeah.
I was about to put more stuff in my chest, but then
39.
I know. I was about to put some stuff on my chest, but then it stopped.
We'll see you next game. Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, we're back with another Cooking Mama. We're still not as good as first place, but we got this. Like that, say hi if you see us, because Gloria's name is Gloria000, and she is a girl, a blue girl with a hat.
I was gonna change my skin.
Oh, and I'm BMO, and my username is Jayne.
Lighter.
I'm so late.
And I got some potatoes. Are rotten potatoes worth anything? Rotten potatoes?
No. Rotten.
Hey!
Gloria, rotten.
My stuff.
Gloria, rotten potatoes give you negative 10 points.
No.
I'm barely getting anything. Ah, why can't I kill this mushroom? At killing all these animals. Tear. Gloria, I say I feel so bad killing all these animals, and you go hee. This is so laggy.
I took a guy's stuff.
Oh, I'm kitchen ID 1.
I made 3 golden apples again.
What do jack-o'-lanterns give you? I need more wheat. I hear your doggy again. I did bad. Oh wait, actually,
I got 79.
I'm in 5th place. I'm in 5th place. I'm in 5th place. Yay! It's better than before.
And you got 5th place.
Oh wait, actually no, that's not better than before. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and give it a rate and comment and do all those stuff. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!